This is the puppet show of Angel and his friends. Action! Are you making more puppets?
Pig, 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 it's all about pigs.
Come on, I'm still recording.
Hey.
Hurry up. You're too slow.
Wait, who put my puppet thing on? Hot. Stop. You mind? Now go over there.
Hurry up, I'm trying to make a video.
Hi, this is Bob.
What's wrong with your puppet? You hit all these dead puppets that jumped out the window. Why are all your puppets jumping out the window?
They're dead. Oh, they go.
Oh! Another dead puppet.
Oh, they go.
He's killing all these puppets. Another one! Are more puppets gonna die?
Why? This is a...
Alright, this video's done.
Where's the...
Oh, you gonna kill the wolf? Kill the wolf.
No. Where's the little piggy? Where's the little piggy?